Welcome to Sons of Xplosions!
Welcome!
Do you have problems to wake up every morning?
Are you always late from school or work?
Not anymore, because we have this Sons of Xplosions Super Trim Away Lightspeed Eye Opener Ass Kick Alarm Cock System 8000.
Alarm Clock System 8000. This is really simple to use, but first make sure this alarm switch is turned off. And second part is we put this Ass Kick 8000 device under the bed, like this. Part 3 is setup time when you want to wake up. Turn this on.
Everything is now done, so let's demonstrate it how this everything really works. So let's say hello and welcome our new crew member Stunti Sami. And he go now to sleep. And everything's done. Let's wait a few minutes and test our alarm system. So be careful when you try this at your home, because this might be a big problem in your apartment too. Order our super cool and epic ass kicker 8000 from our Facebook site
And Instagram.
If you like our video,
Please leave a comment and tag your friend who really need this ass kick.
subscribe our channel
And see you next time!